So he agrees with you. So he agrees with you, and
tell him
right.
Tell
so
him.
He says that.
Tell him me and him go to Khabib's house. We'll go to his homeless shelter on the corner. We'll go to his shed. Okay, you take Hasbullah, I take Khabib. Come on.
Okay. He says that, okay, let's go to the main theme, like me and Hasbullah. So, me and Hasbullah.
I mean, Khabib is a bitch, so we don't know. He's retired. He's fat now.
Okay, he says that, so, if you are as cool as me, so you can go to Dagestan to Habib's house.
I go with you. I got your back. In Dagestan, they love me. They love me in Dagestan. Khabib is a pussy.
Appreciate it.
100%. All right, brother. I love talking to you. Should we keep talking, or what do you think? Or should we end it?
As you wish. You are a big brother. You are a big brother. In our culture, we respect our big brothers. So what they say, this is a law.
Nah, tell him I love him. Tell him that. Tell him I adopt him. I'm gonna adopt him. I want to adopt him. In America, do you guys have that? Tell him I want to adopt him. I want you to be mine.
So we are going to go to US. Where are you? Where do you live?
I'm in New York City. Tell them I fly all through you. You and your two cousins or your two boys. I'll fly all through you.
We have got some little problems to get visa.
No, but you know me. I got you. I'll get you to the States. I know Trump. Don't worry about that. We don't. Don't worry. I call the president. He's in my pocket. We got it. Don't worry about that.
He's a little bit hesitated of your words. He don't know how to appreciate it, how to say grateful, how to be grateful.
You may kiss. That's all I need. Ask him. I want a question from him. Hasbullah say he has more money than you. Who has more money? Be honest. I like to be flashy too. I have a lot of money.
Megaki Hasbullah ati da pul bisodora. Ki pul bisodora ba guftite.
Ma pul mushanamedon. Dukh ma khala nameki. Ma pul mushanamedon.
No, be honest though, because I like to flash some money too, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Pul adama buzurg namekna.
So
Koksori adama buzurg mekna.
So he says, don't know about the money, but the great soul is in me. I have got the great soul. I have got the spirit of a warrior. I can find him everywhere. He says that money can't make the human. Like, it's not up to money. So it's up to spirit, up to soul.
Ask him, in all honesty, be honest. Is the rivalry, him and Hasbullah, is it real or not? Because I watched a video and I was very excited. I want to see the fight, and then I see them hugging and this and that, and it hurt me a little bit. I want to know. I don't want to know the business. I want to know if it's real or not.
He says that I'm looking forward to smash Hasbullah's face.
Yeah? Okay.
I'm looking forward to smash Hasbullah's face. If they pay us our money,
I'll give the money. I'll put the promoter on. I'll put the two fight on. We make $5 million. Everybody wants to watch this fight. Everybody. Everybody want to watch the fight. But you make it $75 a pay-per-view, everybody's gonna watch.
Tamam Brad.
Do it, yeah. Who's the guy in the middle? What's the guy's name in the middle?
Okay, if the money is right, if the money is right,
tell Tommy off.
Our side is ready. But there is a word. If there is no money, even I can fight him too without money.
I agree, no, yeah. But tell Tommy off, the guy in the middle, he's a pussy.
قدامي موبايل مجال مقصد تشوكه عروسه بخام كم فرق
My man. Ask him if he, before we go, does he have any questions for me?
مگه ما یک قیمت سوال دیگه دارم مقصد چه کنیم
دولت و سوالات درباره دولت ملت نباشد ثبت.
Okay, he says, okay, you can go on, no problems, but he wants you to ask like not discriminational questions.
Like what?
Like about some nationalities, maybe.
No. There's nothing. There's no discriminational questions. Trust me, they know that. I'm Armenian.
No problems, you can go on.
All right, I just want to know if he had any questions he wanted to ask me.
Okay, so he is a fan of, he wants to ask that about the fight of Dustin Poirier and McGregor the third. So who is going to win, and what's your prediction? And he says that I believe that Conor going to smash him, but what's your prediction?
My prediction is, I would say Conor KO or TKO in the second round.
Conor McGregor technique knockout, knockout
and then he takes the belt.
But Conor McGregor
kills Oliveira. He kills Oliveira. Easy money. Easy. You know Hezbollah? That's easy, but this is too easy, brother.
So yeah. We suppose that Conor McGregor is going to be the champion. The champion, and he's going to take the belt from Oliveira. And he says that we are in your side.
Ask him before we go. When he fights Hezbollah, can I walk out with him?
Yes, I've got one place for you.
I want to corner him.
Sure, absolutely. You can.
Okay.
He says that he has just one place for you. Special place.
What is it?
A coach assistant.
Okay, deal. I'm gonna coach him.
Oh my God, come cheese making trouble.
We'll keep that. We'll keep the Dillon Danish Dagestani rivalry alive. All right, deal. All right, brother. I'm gonna let you go.
Okay, so as we Tajik people say that everything is in the God's hand, but I'm 100% sure that I'm gonna smash him. Yeah.
Tell him I'm on his side, and tell him I love him. I'll tell him talk to him later.
پولی در طرفته من در طرفتی مقصد.
تمام قبل نیست. تمام. شما همه باور کنین. تمام.
Okay. So he says. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are and your friends in my side, smashing is not a problem. I'm going to smash everyone you ask.
I know. I smash. Yeah, I know. I agree with you. Tell him. Ask him if he smashed his girlfriend or no. Be honest. I want to know.
He says that okay. He wants that you kill Jake Paul.
I will.
Smash Jake Paul, he says.
I will fuck Jake Paul. Just like you're gonna fuck Hasbulla.
خیلی مقصد هزبولا رو میگم بزنی. برا.